Shemai, do you like hedgehogs? Well, if you do, you might want to stay tuned. I'm looking for cress. I'll do 2 for 2. Peas as well. Peas. Thanks. Cress. I've come home from shopping. I bought some cress seeds and I think this little guy's done. Oh my days. Ooh. So he's cooled a little bit. The supports are still on the tray. There's supports here. Oh, and he's misprinted there. Oh, that's disappointing. So I don't know if you can see. We haven't printed properly there. We can take his supports off his bottom, I think. Maybe not. I hate taking supports off things. That noise is a horrible noise. I'll show you what I mean now with this here. So there's one first printed, and the other one just hasn't printed properly. Oh dear. He's got a little deformed foot. I don't think it matters though, because he's sitting down. So I'm assuming what we do is put cotton wool on the top here, and then the cress seeds. He's cute though, look at the little face. So I'm not entirely happy with it, although you won't notice when he's sitting down and when he's sitting down basically. But however, I think I am going to print another one. So I set the printer up again, I've gone out to walk the dog and the same thing has happened. The support has snapped off, so it's not printing the foot properly. So I'm gonna leave it run, and he's too close to finishing now to stop it. So he's just gonna have 3 feet like the other one. I don't know if this one looks worse than the other one, to be honest. Yesterday I printed these little guys and I absolutely love them. But as you can see, they've only got 3.5 legs. I've looked at the file that I used to print them and probably should have looked before I printed them, because it does say on the file that there was an issue with it. So I'm not going to bother printing another one. These are absolutely fine for what I want. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. So I've got some cotton wool, I've got my cress seeds, and I've got my little hedgehogs. So I'm going to take one and give it to someone. With my cotton wool, I'm just going to wet some cold water. Oh dear, what you need, and a squeeze of water out. I don't even know if this is the right thing to do, but I'm going to sit it in there. Okay, it's quite nice here. And I'm going to sit it like that. Like that. Oh, you can sneeze like that. It's not bad, sneezes. So, like that. On the thing. Just going to put them on. Literally just patting them on and hoping for the best. So, before. There. And after. I've covered him in cotton wool pads and I have sprinkled cress seeds on him. So hopefully soon we'll have a little cress hedgehog. So excited. It's literally 2 days later. Look at the hedgehog. Oh, it doesn't smell good. But he's looking good. We need to buy a sprayer when we go out.
Okay,
Right,
spray.
let's go out and buy a spray. And cut him back in. So excited. Just a quick little update. Day 4. So this is day 4. Ooh. Oh my god, I've killed it. Hang on. There. Keep your hair on. There. Oh my god, hedgehog. You nearly died then. Look at this one. It is day 5. Is it 5 or 6? I think it's day 5. And look at this one. Can you see him? Isn't he? Look how much he's grown. Today is day 5 or 6. And I just think tomorrow is going to be sandwich day. What do you think about that?
Tomorrow, I'm going to eat you for more dinner. Flesh.
He is looking lovely. Today is day 6, 7, 6, 7. I don't know, but I think it's day 6. It's time to eat him. I'm gonna make myself an egg cress sandwich. I've got my eggs. I got my fresh bread. I got my butter. I'm gonna make lunch. And now I get to give my hedgehog a little haircut. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Got a little ball patch. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're still beautiful. Well, here goes. That is the nicest egg and cress sandwich I've ever had. Mwah.